Breaking news. Court bars Efcc from arresting Hassan over professional service. Hello, my wonderful people. You know, in Nigeria, you'll be wondering if most of these security agencies are carrying out their job and duty, job description like they should. Okay, you will hear a lot of scandal going on with regards to EFCC, who potentially seem to be fighting crime, but really and sincerely speaking, are taking bribes underneath the table, are doing one thing or another, and covering up some very important matters. So at the end of the day, some people feel the whole EFCC thing is a scam. Okay, some government officials put it in place, put in their people to fight their enemies. If you look at the EFCC, they go after Yahoo boys in the south. Okay, we're not saying you should engage yourself in any form of crime. If you are caught, you'll be dealt with the full route of the law. That's not what we are talking about. But no, yeah, no EFCC is going to the north to ensure that all those who have been carrying out crimes and atrocities are brought to book. So how does that court talked about equality, fairness, truth, and justice? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. Court bars EFCC from arresting Hassan over professional services. A federal high court sitting in Abuja has barred the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, from arresting, detaining a senior advocate of Nigeria, Professor Joseph Maduge San, over disposition content in an affidavit in a case involving Innocent Nigeria Limited. Justice Iyenwu Eko specifically granted an order for the maintenance of status quo as at February 7, 2022, in favor of the applicant Professor Joseph over matters which he knows nothing about, or facts to link efforts pending the hearing and determination of successive ongoing motion. Nigerians can now work and earn and see what exactly this EFCC are doing, all in a bid to intimidate the judiciary system. Joseph has, through his counsel and human rights activist Chief Michael Zomo San, urged the court to restrain the EFCC from inviting, arresting, or detaining and keeping in custody the applicant over some fictitious allegations made against him concerning a case he handled and won for his client, Innocent Nigeria Limited, from the Federal High Court through the Court of Appeal and now the Supreme Court. Chief Oziomo explained that the appeal of the Supreme Court was at the instance of some applicants, including Guarantee Trust Bank PLC GTB, which had lost in both lower court cases. During the court proceedings, Oziomo urged that the EFCC does not have the legal competence to compel Professor Joseph to disclose the source of information regarding an affidavit filed during the proceedings in 2011, as this is unconstitutional, illegal, wrongful, overreacting, and is capable of prejudice of appeal in the Supreme Court. He also urged that it was wrong for the EFCC in the instigation of the Guarantee Trust Bank PLC and others to serially invite Joseph, first on the 1st, then 7th, then again February 21st, 2022, for the purpose of forcing him to disclose the source of information in an affidavit he filed. The activist lawyer complained that his client has earlier been detained between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. on the 1st of February 2022 and told to report again on the 7th and later on the 21st. However, he won the case. So this is what is going on. Somebody has judged a matter, judged the case and won. However, EFCC say they are EFCC. Okay, they want to roll with the big boys, so you have to tell them how you got your information. There was a case between Innocent Nigeria Limited. The lawyer did his job. At the end of the day, he got Innocent Nigeria Limited discharged and acquitted. However, he is now the target. Okay, they've now come on him to say you are now the target, you must be dealt with. And they keep inviting him, and it's more like an harassment. And for this very singular purpose, he has gone on and filed a case against the EFCC. And now the EFCC is being told to restrain and refrain from going against, the court order, and not to, pressure him or do anything to, to make him want to give them information at all costs and whatever necessary. Okay, this is totally unheard of, unnecessary, and should not be encouraged or, allowed to occur or go on. And it's in Nigeria that the former president of America, Donald Trump, had to send a message and ask, is it a zoo republic? Is there no law and order? How come court injunctions and court proceedings are not being followed? That is because we are not in a democracy. Okay, some individuals are larger than life in Nigeria. Some individuals, as though they were not born by a woman, as though they made themselves, the way they take life, the way they do me, who are you, by the way? Who are you? Because we need to understand it so that we can understand the me, I and thing going on. So the court had to come in to say, EFCC, to your tent, leave this young man alone. Leave the lawyer alone. He has judged the case. He has discharged and acquitted his client. But why is he now the target? So this is what they do. And before you know it, the judiciary is scared, intimidated. And if another case come on board, they are not ready to take it on board and to defend innocence or clients, because they know what follows. They know that EFCC will come after them. So in the case, while the case was ongoing, there was some words that this man said, some an affidavit he swore, and how this thing has turned out, that they want to know how he got that very information, which countered them, and at the court they were defeated. They want to understand how he was able to get that information, so that he cannot go after that person. You see abnormalities going on. You see, they want to know how he got that very information that was able to help him, bring, in court of law. You come with your very strong reason. You come with your proofs. So he was able to prove that blah, 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 blah is what it is. And at the end of the day, his client was discharged and acquitted, but they want to go after that source of information. So where is there protection of weakness in Nigeria? Do we have such? I don't think we do. I personally don't think we do. So leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. Bye.